Okay, my name is Joe Arbiscotti. I work for North Atlantic Industries, and we're going to show you how to import a North Atlantic driver for one of our boards into LabView. We're going to use LabView 2011, and this frankly could be used for LabView 8.5 and above. So let's get started. We're going to open up a blank VI. We're going to go to Tools, Import, and we're going to look for the DLL to do the importation of the library. Now, I've done this before. There's a bunch of libraries that you'll see shortly when this pops up, and I've even done it for our instruments and a bunch of our products. So let's go ahead and create a new library. We're going to look for the DLL. I'll give you a little understanding of the structure. All our drivers are loaded down in the program file folder. So you follow program files to the North Atlantic folder. To the board that you're interested, we're going to do the 75C2. The Visa folder, the LabView folder, and we're going to use the calling convention standard call. So let's open that up. The DLL happens to be in the release folder. Select it. File spec will be put there. The header file is in the same directory as the standard call library is. You go into the include folder, which is where all the header files are. If you notice, this is the header file, but that's going to import everything. I'm just going to, I've pared it down. I've prepared it beforehand, and I'm only going to import the board library and the A to D library. Make this as brief as possible. Just give you an understanding of how to get this library imported into LabView. There's no additional paths, nor are we going to do any pre-processing. It's going to parse through the header file, looking for the different functions that are in there that are defined. I'm going to check them all. You can see this is the A to D, and down below is the board functions. You got the close command. There's set, register, get map, get versions. There's also the open function to open the board to get the handle to pass it off to the function. So let's go to the next. Now we're going to put this in a different folder. Okay, and we're going to go to the next one. Now, error handling is, we're going to leave it with no error handling. Our code does return a numeric value, so there is a function call that will take that numeric value and turn it into a ASCII string that is readable. So you can look for that function in the board library, or whichever it is. It's available. So we're going to go to the next. Okay, it's actually checking the type of control that the functions are, how many parameters it's going to pass, what it's going to return, and the calling convention. As you see, is standard call. There's the A to D library. The board functions are down here. And this is a summary of what's going to happen. And we're going to go to the next. And it's going to now look in the DLL and formulate the function VIs. My description of these are as a function VI, they're very small and they do one little thing. It's not like a full-fledged instrument VI or board VI. And I'll show you how to execute each individual function within LabView. Okay, we're finished. There's the library, comes up with a report. Let's just take a look and see where the library is located. If you go into the user library file, let's pin this up. This is the library I imported. Let's open this up a little bit wider. And these are all the functions. Okay. Let's take a look at this function. We open this up. Let's see what's its name. It's the test verify. We can open it up. As you can see, if we perform an open, we pass the handle there, tell them which module, and it'll return the function. And you can also edit the icons to make it unique. So that's basically about it. If you want further information on how to program, look for another VI or another video on that, and we'll do some short programming examples. But this concludes the importation of the North Atlantic driver. Thanks.